So you can get access to this board, but before you jump in too much, I'd like you to just kind of watch and see what's going on in the space. We have here, I'm going to just go full screen. Now I know I have a pretty wide screen, so I will be zooming in for future recordings, but as you look at this whole entire space, it's a lot of information, and what you're going to personally focus on is kind of making your own little guy here. This is a board called the Throwdown space, and inside these little spots are where you're going to be putting your iterations. So in order to make something like that, here's an example, right? In order to make something like that, you're going to grab it and option drag it. I see Ariel is in here and Skylar's in here, and I'll be making more colors as time goes on. But for people who haven't done this before, and Autumn, who is in here as well, what you're going to do is you're going to click, hold, and drag across this, and then you can copy it, just Command-C, Control-C, and come on over here and paste it. Now, I've done that so that you can see how it's done, but you can go ahead and do that yourself. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it while we're streaming, that's fine too. But that's really the first step, is getting this going so that you can actually like have a space to throw in some stuff.